Hi guys, I want to show you a pretty cool product that's out there. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it or not, but this is Tootsie, and she's a geriatric, a little senior citizen Labrador Retriever, and she has a hard time going up and down stairs and on hardwood surfaces. They just moved in, the owner just moved into a newer home that has hardwood floors, and it's hard for her to get around with her back legs. She's arthritic, and this is a product called Toe Grips. Online called toegrips.com, and there's different sizes accordingly for the size of the dog or whatnot, but I'm going to show you how to put them on. They're literally simple little cool little rubbery things that go on her nail, and you just have to get them firmly on the grip zone is what it's called, and it's a rubbery material so that way when Tootsie gets up and down it gives her a little bit more traction for about 8 to 12 weeks. So you just want the bottom of that toe grip to be just on the ventral or underneath that surface of her nail. You can see that, so they don't slide off. So when she gets up and down, she has a little bit more traction. So you put them on every single digit, except her dew claws, of course. Those don't come into contact with the ground. But as she gets up and down, she has a little bit more leadway. So this might be something for you to share with your friends or family if you know some big dogs out there that have a hard time getting up and down and they're on, say, anti-inflammatories, and they just need a little extra oomph. This is certainly something that's obviously safe. Pretty cool because look, now she has a little bit more traction on the ground, and they're not expensive at all. They get mailed to your house, and yeah, these are called Toe Grips.